Hello everyone, let me just give you a quick rundown of what you're going to be getting if you're going to white label with Convocore. So let's click on white label agency. Here's the overview. It's just going to show you a video guide of the settings. As you can see, I'm using my own logo and agency name. You have the option to add a subdomain or have your own custom domain. This way you operate like an agency. You don't see any of Convocore's logo. And then you have email, where you set the email that your clients are going to see. Of course, it is recommended to use your own business email instead of a regular Gmail. And then the theme. Here you can change the colors of your agency, colors that your clients are going to see on their dashboard. It's basically the color of your branding. And you can even design using custom CSS. Now, for the custom tabs, you can add more tabs. Maybe you want to attach a documentation for your clients as a reference. So all you have to do is to click add tab, always visible, edit that, and you can customize the content of the page or of the tab. You can set it as HTML or iframe. So it's very customizable if you want to add more pages and resources for your clients. Maybe you want to add your privacy policy and disclaimers. Now, SaaS mode. So this is where you customize every single detail of your services. I'm just going to scroll down so you can see every setting. As you can see, it's very customizable. Now for the auto billing. This is the most amazing part because it's going to make your life easier. So imagine you don't have to do manual invoice because the system is going to do it for you automatically. For example, as of the date of this filming, the current pricing for each credit is $0.0038. So you can set your pricing on top of the base fee. For example, you want to charge $0.005. So this is the final price that your clients are going to pay you for each credit. So $10 will give your clients 1,136 credits. And of course, you enable subscriptions, and then you connect your Stripe account for the payment. And now let's look at the client's dashboard. Click on clients, and this is where you're going to see all the clients you have with their agent. So currently I have 3 agents under this client. You have the option to add a new client. If you want to manage the credentials of a particular client, click on manage. And this is where you'll see the email that can access the account. You give this to your client so they can log into their dashboard. Let's go back. Let me show you what your clients would see from their dashboard. So click that, and here it is. So there's home, chats. This is where they're going to see all conversations their agents had with their leads, and then the analytics. The content of the analytics will depend on the metrics you set for each agent. For this one, I did not create a custom metric. Let's actually go to an agent that I created custom metrics for. And as you can see, we have 3 agents here because under this account, there are 3 agents. If we remove this, let's remove the Brightstone Realty. Now it only has 2 accounts. So if we reload that, we would only see 2 accounts. So Pure Care Dental. I created a booked versus not booked metric, and the clients will be able to see that here. So these are the metrics, by the way, that are the default. And this is a custom analytics that I created for a client whose main goal is to learn the calls that were booked and not booked. Now for the leads and campaigns. So I already created a video on how to run a campaign. Have your AI call a list of numbers to qualify leads. Here, they're going to see the leads uploaded and also the campaigns. Because this agent does not have a campaign, I'm just going to add the Brightstone Realty agent. Let's reload that. And as you can see, if we click on campaigns, there is one campaign here. Let's actually check if the campaign is working on the client side. So let's run the campaign, and I should receive a call right now. All right, here we go. Hello, who's this?
Hi, this is Nicole from Brightstone Realty. Am I speaking with Lorraine Lyon?
All right, there you go. That is it. As you can see, it is working on the client side, and the system is going to auto charge them for the credits. This is a really customizable dashboard. Every week or so, we roll out more features. So expect that this is only going to get better and better as months go by. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about our white labeling features, let us know in the comment section and we'll do our best to respond immediately.